My name is Mason Cardiff, and I'm one of the teachers for Fundamentals of Computer Science. Now, Fundamentals of Computer Science is a year long high school level course. What you're going to be doing is you're going to be learning all about HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Those are three computer programming languages. And we learn them by creating. You're going to be creating the things that you want to build in this class. There's a lot of freedom to do that. Now, to begin with, we're going to be all about website design. We're going to leverage HTML to add content and structure to our websites. That's simply the words. And then we're going to style our websites using CSS. This allows us to change the font, the color, the size of different text. It even allows us to add a little bit of interactivity into our websites to make them that much more engaging. After that, we're going to spend a big portion of the year in the animation and video game design. Now, we use JavaScript in this case. And so you're going to be able to tell your own stories. You're going to be able to make your own comics. You're going to even be able to make your own video games. We'll make some simple platformers, make some puzzle games. It really is all up to you and your imagination. You have the freedom to choose what you want to make in this class. After that, we'll start talking about app designs. We'll talk about user interface. We may even explore machine learning and AI. We'll explore how to program circuit boards. We may even explore doing some 3D game design using Roblox. Now, in this class, you're going to be learning with a purpose. This entire course is project based learning. So there's going to be a lot of activities that are going to teach you some of the more basic concepts, but then we jump into some mini projects that give you a chance to kind of stretch your legs a little bit, try out the new concepts you're learning, and then that leads us up to the bigger projects. This is your chance to collaborate with a team or to work solo to think of an idea and then bring it to fruition. You get the choice to be able to choose your idea and to work through it so that way you can see it before your eyes. Take something completely from the imagination, the mind, and then see it right before you on the computer. So you're learning by creating. You're learning simply by building the thing you already want to be building. That video game design you have in your head, you're going to learn by creating it. But beyond that, part of my job as an educator is not only to engage my students in meaningful projects. I think it's also my job and my responsibility to engage the community and give students the ability to impact the community around them. So my students, as a part of the animation unit, sent holiday e-cards to the Children's Hospital in San Antonio to spread some holly, to spread some jolly, to encourage those kids who may be going through a rougher time in their life. Beyond that, my students are now making video games, and we're going to leverage those games to raise money for Extra Life. This is an organization and a nonprofit that, again, raises money, brings the community together to play games so that way they can support children's hospitals. They raise money by playing games. This class offers a lot of opportunity to learn some different professional skills. You're going to be able to collaborate with your partners. You're going to be able to learn project management skills, time management skills, a lot of skills that any and every professional in the workforce needs to have. But beyond that, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are extremely powerful languages. In fact, if you want to become a web designer, those are the three languages you need to know. So if you're interested in pursuing this kind of career, this is a great place to start. Plus, it gives you a great deal of insight into this growing industry of computer science and of programming. You'll be able to explore some different career paths, some career options, and get a better understanding of all the skills and the education required to be successful in this kind of field. Plus, you'll just see if this is something you're even remotely interested in. Maybe it's not for you, maybe it is. And that's what this course is all about. And it's an exploration into computer science. Plus, this class gives you a lot of opportunity to express yourself, to be creative, to build the thing that you want to build. And I hope you've heard me say that over and over again. For example, here are two student websites that they've made. The top one, it's all about them. They write a little bit of a bio about themselves, and it includes just a bunch of comics and stories that they've written. The bottom one is more informational, right? This is a student who wanted to share information about what instrument should you pick. If you're going to be in band, well, there's a lot of choices. So which one should you pick? And so she includes some of her opinions, some facts about the different instruments. Again, these students chose their topics. They chose what they were passionate about, what they wanted to share. For animation, this student created completely custom art. All this is things that she made. And she animated it to create an interactive card so that way other people could come in, they could shake a present and open it up, and they could literally type out snow to make that snowman you see right there appear on the screen. So, again, a lot of opportunity for you to be creative and to have a lot of fun in this course. Not only are you going to learn a lot about programming, you're going to be able to really stretch out your creativity and build something that you love and you're passionate about. If you have any more questions, my name again is Mason Cardiff, and you can email me at mason.cardiff@g.comalisd.org. Happy course selection. Um, I look forward to seeing you guys next year. And with that, have a great day. Bye.